You've likely seen the viral claims that AI can magically bypass an iPhone activation lock with a single prompt. But before you download any sketchy software, we need to look at the actual data. Most AI bypass tools are just phishing scams in disguise. Today, you will learn the legitimate way to use ChatGPT to navigate Apple's official recovery protocols and draft professional communication that actually gets results from previous owners. Hey, it's Elliot from McCrunch. I am going to show you if an AI can really act as a digital locksmith for an iPhone locked owner. We will explore how I use large language models to translate complex Apple documentation into simple steps. Quick legal note before we continue. You must own the device or have permission from the owner to attempt these steps. Bypassing security locks on stolen property is illegal. This information is for educational help and personal recovery only. Since you now understand the legal requirements for ownership, you can move forward with a professional solution for your locked hardware. This segment is a paid partnership with Unlocksy. You can find an immediate fix for your iPhone lock to owner screen through this platform. Repair shops and phone resellers use this service to remove iCloud locks from iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Mac computers. You get back full control of your device without any hassle. This method works in any country on every model and operating software version. Pay close attention now if you want to resolve your issue. Take your locked device and press the power button to turn the screen off. Turn it back on and select the eye icon in the bottom right corner to show the IMEI. Note the IMEI or serial number displayed on the screen. Write it down right away because this is a crucial step. Head over to the Unlocksy site to create a new account or login. Open their iCloud Unlock app and pick your specific device type. Enter that IMEI or serial number you just noted. Agree to the terms and click the button to unlock your phone now. Each unlock costs 50 coins and you start with 0. You can avoid purchasing expensive coins by hitting the Join button below this video. Pick the membership tier that includes Unlocksy access. Go to the membership tab on this channel and grab the gift code for 250 coins. This is a guaranteed way to get your credits safely through YouTube and Google Pay. Once you have your coins, submit your order and track the progress on their dashboard. The process is quick and the support team responds fast. Keep your device powered on and connected to Wi-Fi the entire time. When the status shows as finished, press the back button on your device. This forces a connection to the servers to pull the updated activation status. Your phone now lets you proceed. Skip through the setup and set up a new iCloud account immediately. This is a legal and constantly updated service for all models. Click that Join button now to get your voucher code. Can an artificial intelligence truly pick a digital lock that even the most skilled technicians find nearly impossible to crack? I find myself asking this question every time a new language model hits the market and promises to solve my tech headaches. My research into these systems shows that they lack the physical or server-side access to flip a switch in a database. Instead, I use these tools as a high-powered research assistant to find the hidden paths through official support channels. I have discovered that success comes from knowing which specific documents to provide and how to present my case to the manufacturer. I start by feeding my specific situation into the AI to build a strong paper trail for my unlock request. I ask the model to draft a professional letter to the previous owner that is polite and non-threatening. My prompt includes the model of the phone and the platform where I bought it to make the request look legitimate. I want the AI to emphasize that I just need them to remove the device from their Find My account remotely. This prevents any privacy concerns for them while giving me a clear path to activation. If the seller is gone, I use the AI to scan through Apple's support documentation to find the exact evidence I need for a formal appeal. I look at my results and see that the true power of these language models lies in information management rather than a secret backdoor. My experience shows that AI cannot force its way into a secure server or rewrite a device serial number. I stay away from any website promising a one-click software download that claims to use AI for a bypass. These programs often contain malware that puts my personal data at risk. Instead, I rely on the AI to help me gather my proof of purchase and organize my case for a formal Apple support request. I leave this process with a clear plan and the right documents to prove my ownership through official channels. I successfully demonstrated that AI works best as a strategic guide for drafting professional outreach and organizing ownership documents. We explored how to use ChatGPT to create non-threatening letters for previous owners and how to avoid the dangerous malware often found in fake bypass software. By following these steps, I can navigate the official Apple support channels with a much higher chance of success. If this guide was helpful, we invite you to like, subscribe, and enable notifications to stay informed on future updates and guides.